Hey boys, so it's Monday morning, and what did we say we were going to go do today?
Go to Mastermind toys.
Ooh, you going to get a toy there today?
Yeah!
Show me how excited you are to go to Mastermind. Okay boys, where are we?
Mastermind toys!
Woo! Oh yeah, that's the best part about coming here. They always got toys out that you can play with. What do you think, Lukey? Hockey, yeah. I don't know. Where's the ball? Where's the puck? Oh, I see it right there. Right there.
There it is.
What do you think, Levi? They got lots of toys here? Lukey? Remember these? The magnet tiles?
Yeah.
You should build a house or something. Whee!
You like this?
You guys found it in the outdoor section. Show it to me, Levi. Stand up and show it to me. Let's see. Blast pad. All right, so you blast those rockets into the air. That's awesome. And you jump on it, right, Levi? What do you think?
I like it.
And the fun continues outside. Look at that. Got a nice water table here.
Oh, that's not work.
What's that, Lukey?
This is car.
The car?
Yeah. Oh no!
Right, guys, here we are at the park, and we got our Marky Sparky blast pad. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun, and Levi's going to open it up for us. And Lukey, I guess they're going to help each other. There we go. Pull everything out.
There you go. Oh, I guess we have to bell it. Yeah, bell it.
Okay, what do you guys got there? Show me. Okay, we got the pump. That's like the foot pump.
I got 5. I got 5.
1, 2, 3. Do your counting. How many rockets do we have? Show me the rockets.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3. Okay, so now we got to set it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Levi's opening up the package with the tube.
Wow.
You can hear the air? Yeah.
There we go.
Let's see that, Levi. Okay, so we got an orange tube, and that connects to what Lukey's playing with,
Levi.
so that the air can travel from there into the tube and out through the rockets.
Yeah. This is dope.
All right, so the setup was quite easy. I think it only took us about 3 minutes. All right, so Levi, because you're the oldest, you're gonna go first. He's convinced that he gets 3 turns because there's 3 rockets. There you go, you got it. Now you put the other rockets on the ground, and before you jump, I think it's better to probably jump from the side, right? Yeah, more room for your feet when you jump, right? So you gotta jump, move the rockets over a little bit. A little bit more. All right, when you jump, oh, and just a little note, these little zip ties, we didn't have scissors with us, but those are supposed to be cut off once you get home and you have scissors. All right, so we're gonna count to 3 and Levi's gonna give his best jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't even, oh, there it is. Okay, let Levi finish the 3, okay? And then Lukey's turn. Or, yes, exactly. Okay.
No, you're not gonna hold that, Lukey. You're not gonna hold that.
All right, Levi, that was really good. Let's see how far he can get this one. I'm gonna try to capture it in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Okay, Lukey. Now this one.
Passing the baton. All right, Levi, this is your last one, and then Lukey's gonna have a turn. Oh, you want to try jumping that way this time? Okay, ready? We're gonna count for you. Are you gonna count with me, Lukey?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that one went way over there.
It's my turn.
All right, Lukey's turn. I'm gonna step back and see if I can get a better view of the rocket going in the air. Okay, Lukey. 1, 2, 3. That was awesome. Okay, Lukey's gonna go again. 1, 2, 3. And one more for Lukey. 1, 2, 3.
Oh
Oh, where did it go? It went way over there. Was that fun, Lukey? You got all the rockets, Levi? All right, Levi, let's see if you can get higher than you did before.
Yeah, Abby. Yeah, I think I can get it all the way up to the moon.
Sorry, how far do you think?
All the way up to the moon.
To the moon. All right, let's watch him go. I want to see him up close doing this nice big jump to the moon.
No.
Woo! There it goes. Run, Levi, run. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Woo, woo, woo. You holding the rockets, Lukey?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.